Welcome back to my channel. So let's get right into it. So I just wanted to do a very quick video on how I achieve beach waves with a crimping iron. So the hair that I'm wearing right now is from two different companies. The wefted hair is from Kendra's Boutique, and I purchased this hair back in 2018, and I did the 4-bundle deal. So 2 24 inches and 2 26 inches. This hair was literally like down to my waistline, and I cut it in 2019, so it's a little bit past my shoulders, but this is the Brazilian Bodywave hair. This hair is awesome, and I feel like this hair gets better with time. Now the frontal is from a totally different company. I know I do this a lot, but the frontal is from Yummy Extensions, and it's the Wavy HD frontal. Man, when I tell you this is one of the best frontals that I've ever purchased, I got my money's worth. The hair is beautiful. The grids on the lace is just like wonderful. Like the lace is just impeccable, the way it kind of like seamlessly blends into my skin. And I love it. And yeah, so that's that. And I created this unit myself. So I'm going to be using a couple products. So I'm using a crimping iron. It's really old. This crimping iron is from a company called Power IQ. And then I'm going to use the Paul Mitchell clean spray, and I'll put everything down in the description box. I love this spray because it leaves a really light hold to the hair, and I really only use this spray on the very front of my hair, just enough to hold it until I was completely done, so I can shape the front how I want it. So I'm just gonna let this video run. I'm gonna stop talking, and yeah, so rate, comment, subscribe, and follow me for more content. Bye guys.